Hello guys, this video I'm going to show you how to set structure on the Facetune application. But first of all, I just want to mention, please don't forget to subscribe to our channel, because at 100,000 subscribers we are going to show you our YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy how to make money online. So let's jump into it. First of all, open the application on your device. So that's the home screen, and you just select a photo from your gallery. Here you can find the lower bar, and if you want to set the structure of your photo, click to the focus button next to the touch up, and sorry, not the focus, tap to the details next to the focus, and you can find the third button, the structure, and you can set add that manual. And if you want to erase your editing, click the erase button, and you can set that the original format. And if you finish, click the OK button at the lower right corner, and that's it. So that's pretty much it for this video, guys. See you in the next one. Bye bye.